Mission, do not get sunburn in Hawaii. No.
This shit is terrifying, dude, and very stressful.
Your rack's on the top, that'll be close.
Hi, we're the Lost Ones. Just your average group of friends who travel together as often as we can afford while trying to cross things off our bucket list.
We started this vlog to capture our adventures, good times, and foodie moments to look back on when we grow old. We hope to inspire others, meet cool people, and try new foods along the way.
We've been camping in Oahu for the past week, and today we traded in our yurts for a hotel in Waikiki.
From our last full day in Hawaii, we're finally packing up the car for the last time. It is 6 a.m. We're gonna try to drive to Kailua Beach or Ka'aawa, depending on the weather, to try and watch the sunrise, TBD, because it's rainy or it's spotty. But we have yet to see a sunrise on the beach, so we thought that we'd do that as our last hurrah for like our final full day in Hawaii. We are clearing out the yurt. It's kind of bittersweet. Here's the inside of the yurt. We have all this room here. Well, the table, we have a table with a lamp. The table is actually over there, but we moved it over there, so we have like somewhat of a nightstand for our phones and stuff. And you can just reach over and click on the lamp. And this was our bed. It's kind of a mess right now, but we had our trusty fan the whole time. Window vents. And it is tall enough that Drew can stand in here because this guy's pretty tall. But yeah, this was home for the past 4 days or so.
She blows. He's driving barefoot and he's using his big toe to press on the gas.
That's all you need.
Big toe.
We're chasing a sunrise, huh?
We're chasing one. It started to come up already, but we're gonna do our best to try to get there.
We're trying to see a beach sunrise.
Yeah, we're trying so hard. We really are trying our best.
But it's like literally rising right now. It's because we were appreciating the morning. We got packed up like on time, and then the colors in the sky were just like really pretty. Look at that. Oh wow. You're on your own, bud.
Pretty much.
You turn down the street on the left.
Yeah, turn down the street on the left.
Okay.
Yeah. We're having breakfast on the beach. We're at Kailua.
This shit is terrifying, dude, and very stressful.
Okay, go slow. Your rack's on the top, that'll be close. Like you're fine. 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 You're
Dude.
fine. You're fine.
It's such a tight curve too.
It's making me nervous, dude.
It's alright.
Cheers, y'all. Wait.
Cheers.
Milkman here. Want some milk?
That's what Drew always says.
Really heavy pocket.
Baba cream pie from McDonald's. It's really good. Very fragrant. It's like guava jam, creamy cream, delicious. Boys went to go return the car. Kara and I are having a girls moment. We're walking to the beach. The weather is beautiful. It's hot, it's sunny. We're gonna hang out until the boys meet us. We made it to the beach. Aloha, we are. Oh my god, I got a lot of sun. It's not looking too good for me, guys. Mission, do not get sunburn in Hawaii. I was off to a good start and now, no. And it's our last day. I was feeling a little reckless, I guess. Anyways, we just got back to the hotel. We are staying at the Vibe Hotel Waikiki. I love this hotel. Drew and I stayed here last time, same schedule. We stayed here pretty much like the night before we departed Hawaii, and we really enjoyed it here. The service, the amenities, just the style. Love it. For a reasonable price too. If you're looking for something budget friendly, definitely recommend this place. It's a little more of a step up from what we've been doing, which is camping in a yurt and staying at a hostel. So it's just, for us, more luxury. Really nice. So I just wanted to show you guys the room so you can see it. And then we're pretty much gonna shower, get cleaned up, get ready to go to dinner. We have reservations at Morimoto, which we tried Morimoto Asia in Florida, in Orlando, Florida at Disney Springs. Absolutely loved it. Honestly, one of the top 10 meals of our life. They have one here, so we were telling Kara all about it. We were like, we should just see if they have reservations. Sure enough, they did. And so we're gonna go at 5:45. We're gonna walk there at around 5:30. So we have about an hour to get ready. Dinner's gonna be incredible. At least I hope so, because not every location is the same. We had it pre-pandemic, so this will be a post-pandemic sort of thing, but it'll be interesting to compare the two locations. So yeah, let me show you guys the room, and then we're gonna shower, and I'll see you guys after the room tour.
Happy anniversary.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Happy anniversary, guys.
Oh, lemon in there.
I can't even, honestly, I can't even explain it. This thing's the greatest. Rib.
Oh no, guys! I just realized they only give you 3. We split the last one.
Excuse me. Perfect. There you go. A little bit of apricot sauce. Good drizzle. Yep. There you go.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no.
Good.
friends. Looking at an ice cream menu.
They
don't have it.
No, they don't. One of the ones that did interest me though was the Nesquik.
Oh, shut up! I saw it too. No. I'll see you at the hotel.
We'll pass.
So we just got back to the hotel after having our final dinner.
Now, we ended up going to Morimoto, Asia in Honolulu, and let me tell you, like, come on, Morimoto, having it out here, amazing. Primary thing that honestly stands out every single time are the sticky ribs. Those things are insane. Highly recommend getting them anytime and every time that you go. So the game plan now is to call it an early morning because we are beat. And then tomorrow we're gonna end up having a leisurely morning. Our flight doesn't leave until closer to 4 Hawaii time. So we're gonna have a leisurely morning and then check out at 11, probably pass our bags to the desk downstairs and maybe souvenir shop, grab a few things before we head out, and then we are out of here. Today was a very productive day. Tried to boogie board. Tried is a good word because we did not do anything good or anything like that. But overall, it was just a fun day at the beach. And I just wanted to make a quick note that it's kind of like a picnic blanket type of thing. You lay it down, but it packs into this small little carrying case. And we toss it in our beach bags or anything that we know we're going where we're gonna sit down on the ground or anything like that. And it folds out into, like, I swear it's like a 6x6 or like an 8x8 square. And it's really convenient. You just literally fold it up, toss it in here. Obviously we're not sponsored or anything like that. We just love this thing so much and we take it everywhere we go. It doesn't matter where, we just take it because that's how awesome it is. We use this thing at literally every beach that we went to here in Hawaii. We've even taken it to Central Park in New York City. Pretty much everywhere that we've ever gone. We did buy it on Amazon. We'll link it down below if you're interested. If you're not, it's okay, no worries. And we also use it as a car seat cover. So very versatile. All right, well, that's all for tonight. And we're gonna call it a night. So we'll see y'all tomorrow though.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's our last morning in Hawaii, and today we have somewhat of a half day because we don't have to be at the airport until 1-ish. And so we started this morning early. We went down for breakfast at the hotel because it was free. Woo woo. It was actually really good, and it was like a continental breakfast, but they had a lot of variety. And so we kind of just hung out there for a couple hours and just really like vegetated, sat down. It was nice to sit down and relax on like a big comfy couch. We came up to the room, packed up. We're all ready to go for the airport. So I think we're gonna go ahead and check out of the Vive, store our luggage, and then Drew and I are just gonna go walk around.
Yeah.
Maybe pick up some souvenirs, maybe stop by somewhere, get some drinks or some ice cream. Obviously bringing you guys with us for our morning afternoon adventure. And yeah, so that's just the update for now.
Yeah, that's it. Nice and sweet.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
That one's tight. It's all sour
Candy tackle box. The gummy bears.
It's a bubble blaster, like it just shoots bubble gum. Could you imagine some kid who's just like, he's just shoving gumballs in his mouth? It's a little pink can. It comes with a washer so you can open it. That's cool.
Oh, beefy.
You're still carrying that around, dude?
whole cookie.
Bravo. Okay.
Ready?
These are adorable. Confetti. That one's good. That one does taste like confetti cake.
Alright,
This one's
last
the
one.
people's favorite. Butter macadamia.
Yeah.
My favorite is that one and that one.
We're getting cookies. For the thing.
A 30 pack.
Would that be all for you guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
One of a kind. It's insane.
Is it really good?
I've never had something like that before. A croissant waffle. We are at the Skybox Tap House. We're just stopping, a little pit stop, grab some apps, beer, kind of just hang out up until it's time to leave. It's a cool vibe in here though. It's a real cool bar, and it's a really awesome view.
It is now 2:16 local time. We're at the airport now. We went back to the hotel and catched an Uber XL to the airport. Made it here in record time. Drew's checking our bags. There he is. And Derek and Kara proceeded to go through TSA already. So we'll meet them at the gate. Drew and I, his luggage was overweight. It was fine on the way here. Like, we always pack really good, but whenever we leave a place, we just shove everything wherever it fits. This is the first time that we've been like overweight for a checked bag. It was like 10 pounds overweight. Our limit was 50. And so we had to come out, rearrange some things, put some stuff from his bag into my bag, and then we figured it out, evened it out, and then now he's back in line. So weather's beautiful though. We really didn't want to leave. We just walked around, souvenir shop, got some Honolulu Cookie Company cookies for everyone back home. We also got some like Mac Crunch chocolates for myself because those are my favorite. So, all right, we'll see you guys at the gate.